Now these two sets sewing machine is working very well in your factory already. After adjusting, let's go to near the machine to check the working result. Okay, see, this is the chain. Okay, this is the chain, monofilament chain, which come out from this machine. Okay, and then this is taper. The taper is going up from upside, then go to downside. Okay, now left side taper, right side taper, and this is the monofilament chain. It's going to there. Okay, it's a sticking, it's a sewing. Okay, now let's see from here. Let's check the result, which after sewing. Okay, see,